With over 50 years of manufacturing experience, a commitment to OE form, fit and function, and unparalleled technical support, Edelmann is your obvious choice for power steering replacement hose and parts. As the industry leader in North America, we have manufactured over 2,500 applications for thousands of makes and models. Our experience is unsurpassed. We are committed to the European market with hundreds of applications available now for Europe's top makes and models. We are so committed to our partnership with you that we will release hundreds more applications this year, expanding our coverage to thousands of Europe's top makes and models. Choose the leader. Choose Edelmann.